try, should, need. These are some of the dirtiest words I've ever heard. Now, I know you might be thinking, Jamey, you said dirty words. I was thinking of those, other types of words. No, in business, the dirtiest words out there are words that have actually no actionable meaning. How many times do you hear at, let's say, right after the new year, I really need to lose weight? And someone goes, oh, okay. Or, my shoulder's been bothering me. I really need to go see a PT. All right. What are they actually saying? Well, I used to think they were actually making a commitment to do something. But then I realized they're not. I'm not sure what they're really doing, but they haven't actually made a commitment because those are weak, vague words. And if you and me are operating in our business, let alone our life, with those words, they can create what seems to be expectations, but it's not. I'll give you an example. We really want everyone to try to see every single patient and have minimal cancellations. And then at the end of the week, you're not happy with the number of visits you have. And then if you go to your staff, they said, well, we tried, but these people canceled on us. Or better yet, what I see a lot of times is I'm going to really try. I know I need to get help with my business. I know I need to get help with marketing. But you're not making an actionable power statement into making that a reality. I will, I am, by doing this at this time. It's creating accountability. You see, dirty words are vague words with no accountability in them. And for too long and far too often, they just become regular speak. So what I invite you to do, what I encourage you to do, is monitor the words that you say. Make sure your words are powerful, actionable words and not weak, vague, dirty words. And you'll notice that your speak and your communication will resonate so much better. And the other thing that I invite you to do is hear other people's words. Listen to your staff, listen to your patients, listen to potentially the referral sources out there that you're speaking to. Listen for those words. So good luck, and feel free to share a comment if you like this particular topic, if you want to hear any others, or maybe some instances where you have shared some dirty words and what your experience is with that. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.